Dear friends, good afternoon. Today, after the dalgona coffee, I thought of sharing the masala tea, which is such a to-go drink for all the Indians and Pakistani people. Some of my friends who are non-Desi or American, they requested me to show the video of making a simple yet delicious masala tea at home. So for this, I'm taking 2 cups of water in a saucepan, 3/4 cups of milk, which is, I have the vitamin D whole milk, 4 teaspoons of sugar. I have this brand tea bags, Tapal Danedar tea bags. I'm using for 2 cups, I'm using 3 of these tea bags. Then I have 3 pods of green cardamom, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, and here I have around 1 inch of fresh piece of ginger, and I'm gonna just crush it a little bit. And over here in the saucepan I have 2 cups of water. Add the fresh ginger pieces. Open the green cardamom pods like this, just a little bit. Cinnamon stick, last one. And now with all these 3 things, we will need to let the water boil and let it boil nicely. So once the water is boiling, we will add 3 tea bags. If you want a more stronger tea, you can add 4 tea bags or 4 teaspoons of loose black tea leaves. Otherwise, we usually use the tea bags. I have added 3 of those, and flame is still on medium high. I am adding 4 teaspoons of white sugar. You can add it according to your taste. On medium high flame, let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After letting the tea bags and all the spices cook on medium high flame for 2 to 3 minutes, I'm gonna add 3/4 cups of milk. If you like more milk, you can add to it. Otherwise, the proportion which I use is in 2 cups of water, I usually like 3/4 cups of milk, and then just give it a stir and let it cook. After 8 to 10 minutes on simmer, have a look. This looks so good. And now I'm gonna strain it and take it out in the cups. So this is how it looks like. You always have to serve it with extra sugar. If someone needs to have more sugar, they can have it. Sugar plays an important role in the masala tea along with all the authentic Indian spices and the herbs. So this is my way of making and enjoying the masala tea. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to watch the other videos too. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye. Love you all.